Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain the entire machine operation process. Loading mechanism. The EPS block is first placed, and when the sensor senses the presence of the block, the side loading mechanism begins to work, pushing the block to the correct position. When the large flip cylinder senses that the EPS block has been positioned, it starts to align, ensuring the exact position of the block. After a time delay, the landing gear returns to its initial position. Horizontal station. The EPS block is quickly transported to the horizontal station under the precise control of the program. Once it reaches the X7 sensor, the machine automatically switches to slow mode, starting the compression, vibration, heating, and blowing steps for horizontal cutting. Vertical cutting station. After horizontal cutting, the head of the EPS block enters the vertical cutting station. After the sensor senses the position, horizontal cutting and vertical cutting can be carried out at the same time to improve work efficiency. Operators can control the cutting speed of horizontal cutting and vertical cutting synchronously on the touchscreen and control the temperature of horizontal cutting and vertical cutting separately as needed. Based on the density and humidity of the EPS block, the operator can also adjust the vibration frequency to ensure the cutting quality and accuracy. The EPS block continues to move forward. And when the tail of the EPS block leaves the sensor after the cutting wire of the vertical cutting station, the roll press-down mechanism retracts, and the EPS block is quickly transported forward. Cross-cutting station, down cut. When the tail sensor of the vertical cutting conveyor section senses the presence of the EPS block, the cross-cutting station starts working. The receiving mechanism starts to ensure the smooth entry of the EPS block into the cross-cutting station. If the cross-cutting station is still cutting the previous EPS block at this time, the next block will wait in place until the previous block is cut before entering. After the EPS block enters the cross-cutting station, the head of the block reaches the tail positioning cylinder, and after a time delay, the landing gear begins to rise, and the heating and cooling system start simultaneously, and cross-cutting begins. When the X15 sensor detects that the EPS block has left the specified height, the press cylinder and the baffle cylinder retract. After another time delay, the machine starts fast delivery, and when the X24 sensor detects that the EPS block has completely passed, the cross-cut is completed. At this time, the heating and blowing system stops working, and the clamping cylinder retracts. The flip frame is horizontal, and the EPS block is smoothly pushed out. After the tail of the EPS block leaves this signal, the flip cylinder and the cross-cutting landing gear reset after a time delay, and the machine returns to its initial state, waiting for the next cut. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.